Alright, today's unboxing is seriously exciting. Check out this box. Bose Smart Soundbar 900, Dolby Atmos, Alexa built-in, Bluetooth connectivity, all in black. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First impression, sleek premium design. It looks stunning. Materials feel solid, every detail feels high-end. Here's the soundbar itself. Slim, modern, fits any space. Cables included HDMI, EARC, and optical audio. Super convenient. Quick start guide and warranty info. Setup looks simple. Let's get hands-on and set this up with my TV. Plugging in the HDMI cable, just one connection needed. Powering it up. The LED lights up instantly. Connecting to Wi-Fi via the Bose Music app. Smooth process. App walks you through every step. No confusion at all. Pairing with my phone using Bluetooth. Fast and reliable. Let's play some music and test the sound. Wow. The room fills with sound from every direction. Those custom-engineered upfiring dipole speakers are no joke. Dolby Atmos creates a true height dimension. Feels cinematic. Even regular stereo tracks sound enveloping thanks to TrueSpace. I can hear details above, beside, and behind me. It's like being inside the music or movie scene. Let's try voice control. Alexa, play my playlist. Instant response, even with loud music playing. Noise-rejecting microphones pick up my voice every time. Google Assistant works just as smoothly for smart home control. Want privacy? Just hit the mic off button. Voice for video lets me control my TV and cable hands-free. No more hunting for remotes, just use your voice. Let's group it with another Bose speaker in the kitchen. Wi-Fi sync is seamless. Same song, perfect sync everywhere. Or play different content in each room. Super flexible. Apple AirPlay 2 and Spotify Connect both work flawlessly. Streaming is wireless, stable, and supports all my favorite apps. The soundbar looks gorgeous under my TV. Minimalist and elegant. Controls are intuitive, finish is premium, feels built to last. Let's try making a call using Alexa. Calling my friend with a Bose speaker. No phone needed. Audio quality is clear, voice pickup is excellent. Bose Simple Sync lets me pair with headphones for private listening. Just hold the Bluetooth button to sync devices. Action button adds more devices to the group easily. Setup took less than 10 minutes. Truly plug and play. The Bose Music app controls everything in one place. Browse music, adjust settings, group speakers, all from the app. Let's talk about the sound quality again. Bass is deep, vocals are crisp, highs sparkle. Movies sound absolutely immersive, feels like a theater. Gaming is next level with directional audio cues. Even podcasts and audiobooks sound rich and full. The soundbar adapts to any content automatically. TrueSpace spatial processing makes everything feel multi-dimensional. No need for extra speakers. This single bar does it all. If you love home theater, this is a game changer. Smart home users will appreciate hands-free control and integration. Music lovers, you'll hear every nuance, every detail. It looks as good as it sounds, honestly. Fits perfectly with any decor, no clutter. For privacy, the mic off button gives peace of mind. Alexa and Google Assistant both work seamlessly. You can control everything, TV, cable, music, calls, by voice. Wireless streaming options cover every major platform. Setup is so easy, anyone can do it. Bose Voice Video expands what you can do with your voice. Simple Sync lets you move sound wherever you go. If you want immersive sound and smart features, this is it. Highly recommend for home theater enthusiasts and smart home fans. Music lovers, you'll be blown away by the audio. Ready to upgrade your entertainment experience? Check out the Bose Smart Soundbar 900 now.